Now, shall we talk about how diphthongs are formed?
When O and A are combined, they form wa. When O and A are combined, they form way. When U and O are combined, they form wa. And when U and A are combined, they form way.
Just like in this video before, Hangul combines several vowels form another sound. If you pronounce O and A in succession, it becomes wa. When the Korean vowels U and O comes together, they form wor. Is that a very scientific and logical system? When the Korean vowels U and E come together, they formed we. We. When R and E combined, they formed e. E. When R and E are combined, they formed e. E. To summarize once again, it goes like this. Diphthongs are made by combining two vowel sounds into one syllable. Your mouth moves once while pronouncing them. With W sound. 와, 왜, 왜, 워, 왜, 위. Up to this point, we have learned about diphthongs. In the next video, we will look at how consonant and vowels comes together to create Hangul. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.